Okay, so good morning. It is actually woke up at 6 o'clock today, but I decided to just stay in bed for a while because it's not a busy day. So I decided to go down and get my breakfast at 8 o'clock. Lemon instead of ketchup on all of it. Papunta kami ng Sligo ngayon dahil nagpapasama sila Ma'am Shi at saka Kuya Epi sa Sligo para ibalik yung binili nilang laptop. So, or palitan ata. I think that's what it is. And sasamahan namin sila sabay date na din. And I'm gonna drop off Sophie sa bahay nila Daddy. On our way, madadaanan namin yung bahay nila. So I'm gonna drop off Sophie there dahil Mom is off for a week. Usually when she's off for a week, I leave Sophie there kasi, you know, so Sophie can spend time with them. Kakain kami sa Miss Susie. We're gonna try out that restaurant. Unfortunately, nakakasad kasi dahil I'm only like 5 to 6 weeks. I'm nearly on my 6th week sa pregnancy. Bawal kumain ng sushi. And I'm so sad kasi I love sushi. I'll try to find something else na pwedeng kainin yung luto, hindi yung raw fish. And hindi alam nila, Ma'am Shi, wala nakakaalam pa kundi ako tsaka si Anju lang. And we're gonna try and see how this day works. Mag-aantay kami until 3 months na sabihin namin sa friends and family namin about the good news, and hopefully it will be a good news. So far, mga symptoms ko is like my boobs are very painful, especially in the middle of the night. And then I would have like cramps that would last only for a few seconds, like very painful ones, and then it would stop. Sabi naman ng doctor na it should settle down eventually. It does cramp less often as it used to be, but I'm kind of scared kasi what if my hormones are not producing enough like proper hormones for the pregnancy to go on and to progress and grow. Every symptoms and every experience is different for every woman, so hopefully everything's going well. Kasi I don't want to go through the same thing I went through nung first pregnancy namin, so I'm out of breath. Today's a good day, so I'm gonna bring you along with me. Let's go!
I'm walking.
So, nandito kami sa Donegal Town. Nag-order lang kami ng pagkain. Para kay Daddy. And then, of course, pati ako napa-order. Si Ma'am Shi napa-order din. Kaya yun. Tako tikim. Pinaka-paborito ko talaga just regular burger. Yung ganito lang talaga siya. Tapos, lagi ako nag-order ng burger sauce. Gusto mo burger sauce, Ma'am? Lagyan mo pa. Ay, alam ko na ba't ako nag-ano ng tinidor. Kasi lalagyan ko pa ng burger sauce.
Lagyan mo ako konti ng burger sauce mo. Lagyan mo nga.
Ah. Ha?
Hindi, okay na.
I love burger sauce. Kuya, gusto mo tikman?
Hindi, sige lang. Pass mo na. Thank you.
Talaga mga baboy talaga. Ano kakain na mamaya?
Marami ang makain mamaya. Ha?
Mahal yung gibuffet yun, ha?
Hindi buffet, pero
Ang Jollibee!
gagastos ako kasi
Walang il.
walang il.
Pare-parehas
Dito na kami sa Harvey Norman.
Shape ng
Sligo, hello. And marami kami nakikitang mga ganda. So tempting. Meron silang DJI Osmo 3 kasi lang hindi siya yung content, yung complete na para for content creators. Tsaka mahal. Pero ang ganda, I'm so tempted talagang bigyan. Kasi meron pa akong camera ginagamit, which is ito, yung Canon 70D ko. Yeah. Nakaka-tempt talaga pag napalabas ng bahay. Guys, may nakita akong fridge na gusto ko. Diba? So, nandito kami ngayon. Nagtatry kami ng bed. Pero this one is my favorite one. Kasi
Bakit?
soft siya. Pwede daw humiga. Alam niyo ba, meron kami na-meet na na mga Pilipino. Pagkatapos, akala nila magkapatid daw kami ni Anjo. Kasi ng mga teenager, mukha daw kami mga teenagers.
Wala kasing isip bata.
Sabi ko, isip bata lang pero hindi kami teenager. Ano, yun lang. Yun lang yung story. Hindi ko na show sa inyo but pumasok kami sa Maxi Zoo. Nakakita kami ng St. Bernards na nililiguan at saka maliit na aso na sinishave, kinakalbo, tas nanginginig siya. Yun lang. Kasi nasa kanya yung camera kaya yun. Ang cute pa naman. Sayang. Anyway, papunta na kami sa Miss Susie! At lalamon na kami!
Dito talaga yung sinabi ko.
Nainggit siya. Nag-order din siya ng matcha. Mga nag-seconds. Seconds.
Pero
Okay, tapos na kami kumain. Anong magbibigay mong score sa kanila?
an 8.
Mine would be an 8 as well. Sa'yo, kuya? 8?
5.
Ay, bakit?
Ah?
Ba't gano'n ka baba?
Ang liit ng meat.
Ayun lang.
Pag may eater ka, huwag ka pumunta doon.
Tapos puro taba pa yung meat.
On. So, yun sa kanya. Ako kasi masaya ako sa wala masyadong meat eh. So ngayon maglalakad kami and maghahanap kami ng makainan na dessert if meron. So, nagsha-shopping na kami. Wala na kaming food. It is out of stock. Kaya yun. Mapapansin niyo, puro gulay, puro fruits. Majority of our food kasi kailangan na natin kumain ng healthy dahil tayo ay hindi na bumabata, mga ladies and gentlemen. And tapos na po kami mag-grocery. And I think this is the end of the vlog. Kasi wala na kami ibang gagawin. But if meron pa kami gagawin, of course, sasama ko kayo mamaya. Uuwi na kami. Hatid namin sila Ate Celeste, sila Ma'am Shi. And naiihi na ako. Lagi na lang akong ganito. After ng grocery, iihi ako. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our little vlog na wala naman masyadong nangyari, to be honest. We just did some shopping and ganun lang talaga yung buhay namin dito. Very chill lang, ikot, kain, groceries, money being spent, and then, you know, as long as masaya yung companion mo, satisfied na kami, contented na kami dun. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye-bye!